Maybe your boss says, well, the new guys work better than you. Maybe your wife says, why did I even marry you? You're such a loser.
Oh, thanks for this awesome
video. Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
We, the good people, many times are affected by the words and comments and remarks of people that we care about. Maybe your boss says, well, the new guys work better than you. Maybe your wife says, why did I even marry you? You're such a loser. Or maybe your child says, you know, my friend's father has a bigger car than you, daddy. And when you hear that, it makes you feel bad. You lose your internal power, you question your own existence, you feel bad, you feel weak, you feel worthless. And at that moment, you can't do anything. So maybe you're trying to write the email, but deep inside in your mind, that thing, that voice is going on. Oh, I'm a loser. Oh, those people work better than me. My son's friend's dad has a bigger car than me. And you feel bad and you feel like a loser because those words and comments and remarks have created a painful wound in your heart. Does that sound like you? Well, what if this kind of thinking in your mind keeps going on and on and on? Don't you think it will negatively impact your health? Don't you think it will negatively impact your relationships? Don't you think it's going to negatively impact your professional career? And the answer is absolutely yes. So what is the solution, Bishal? Well, the solution is to take care of your emotions. The solution is to take control of your self-esteem, of your self-confidence. Now, when people come to me for coaching or when people come to the Confidence Speaker Conference, oftentimes I tell them the value of affirmation. In fact, one affirmation that I'm going to give to you right now is the one that I want you to use every single day, in the morning, in the evening, at night. This is a statement that you say to yourself over and over again. This is like your success mantra, your key to success for your emotional freedom. And once you can use it just for next 3 days, I can promise and guarantee to you that you will not feel bad even if somebody says back to you. So what's that statement? What's that affirmation, Bishal? I'm glad you asked. Here is the statement. What you say to yourself is this: no matter what you say or what you do, I'm still a worthwhile person. Bam! This is the $1 million affirmation I want you to use today, okay? So in the morning when you wake up, you're brushing your teeth, you tell yourself, no matter what you say or what you do, I'm still a worthwhile person. In the night, you say the same thing before you go to bed. No matter what you say or what you do, I'm still a worthwhile person. Now, as you hear these words, doesn't it make you feel better? Absolutely yes, because this is a powerful statement for you to take control of your emotion. Now, the next time you go to a meeting and somebody says in the mind, you don't have to say verbally, but in the mind you say, no matter what you say or what you do, I'm still a worthwhile person. No matter what people say, you are still a worthwhile person, and you affirm that truth to yourself over and over again until you gain control of your emotions, you gain control of your self-image, you gain control of your confidence. So the next time somebody says,
you are ugly,
and you will say, no matter what you say or what you do, I'm still a worthwhile person.
You look so old and fat.
No matter what you say or what you do, I'm still a worthwhile person.
No, honey, not tonight. I'm tired.
No matter what you say or what you do, I'm still a worthwhile person.
You are a big-time loser.
No matter what you say or what you do, I'm still a worthwhile person.
I hate you. I hate you.
No matter what you say or what you do, I'm still a worthwhile person. Now, as you see this, as you can see many times when people tell this and you respond in this way in your head, can you see the level of confidence that you can have? Your confidence is going to grow, your self-image is going to grow, and you will be immune and you will bulletproof yourself from the negative criticism from other people, and as a result, you are going to be a confident person. And my mission and vision is that your entire company, your locality, your community, our entire state, our entire country, and the entire world becomes that confident person, where we are immune to negativity, where we have positivity, where we have complete confidence, complete self-image, and powerful voice. That's what I visualize for yourself, and I want to start with you. Can you imagine how good this world is going to be when everybody is a confident human being, when everybody cares for another person? And I believe that it is absolutely possible, and we together can make the difference in this world by creating the confident speakers. That's why I created the Confident Speaker Conference. I hope this tip helps you. Remember, no matter what you say or what you do, I'm still a worthwhile person. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.